So we're here to inspire action for suicide prevention. We've been on the road for about 2 months, and every person we ran into has been affected.
This is very important for our campus. We lose students every year to suicide, and it's one of the saddest things that could ever happen. This really happens, and we need to help each other, and we need to reach out and be there for each other.
It's touching, it's heartwarming, and it humbles you a lot because it represents a good visual of what really goes on in the world that we don't see behind closed doors, and how people are really feeling that you don't know that they're feeling on a daily basis.
This Thursday, Out of the Darkness Campus Campaign Walk.
It's the largest Out of the Darkness walk at a university. We're very proud of it. It brings us all together as a community. It allows us to mourn together, but it allows us to support each other as well.